Main Stage 1. A. Listen and choose what Lena and Joey will do together.
Hey, Lena. What's that in your hand?
Hey, Joey. Oh, this is an Earth Day poster.
Earth Day? What is that?
It's a day for saving the environment. It's on April 22nd every year.
Wow! What a great idea! What do you do on Earth Day?
I participate in environmental events. I made this poster for them too.
It looks really cool. Is there anything else you do?
I usually plant trees with people. I'm going to do that in the park tomorrow. Do you want to join? It'll be fun.
Sure. It sounds interesting.